Hey guys, so today we're going to be making some crispy garlic parmesan chicken wings. It's so good and it's baked, you guys. So it's going to be on the healthy side and it comes out so crispy as if it was fried. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken wings. I already washed and cleaned the chicken wings, and here I'm adding in some green seasoning mix. I'll link my video recipe to that in the description box down below for you guys. Next, I'm going to use the following seasonings. So I'm adding some garlic powder, onion powder. I added a little bit of Cajun seasoning, and then I'm going to also add some paprika, salt, and black pepper. And you're going to mix those seasonings into the chicken wings really well, and then you want to cover it and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. If you have time and you can let this marinate overnight, that's really good. It will add some delicious flavor in the chicken. All right, so let it marinate and then we'll get ready to cook it. Okay guys, so after the chicken has marinated, we're gonna add in a little bit of baking powder into the wings. This is gonna help it get nice and crispy as it bakes. Okay, so only a little bit. As usual, check the description box down below for measurements and all the ingredients I'm using in the video. Okay, so I mix that into the wings, and then you want to get a baking sheet. I line mine with foil paper for easy cleanup, and then you want to place a cooling rack on top of that, okay, or inside of it, and then we're going to place the wings on top of the cooling rack. I like to grease my cooling rack with some cooking spray to prevent the wings from sticking on it. You can use a paper towel to help you, like, you know, brush the cooling rack. All right, and then you're going to place the wings on top of it. Separate the wings, don't put them too close to each other. So next, I'm placing the wings into my oven. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake the wings in the oven until that first side gets nice and golden brown. Okay, it's gonna get crispy. Once that first side gets crispy, I'm gonna flip the wings to the other side so it can get nice and brown and crispy as well. Okay, I'll show you when I remove them and I flip them. And I think altogether my wings took probably 40 to 45 minutes. The most important thing is for both sides of the chicken wings to get nice and crispy. And then that's how you know when it's finished and when it's time to also flip it to the other side. Okay guys, so while my wings is baking, I'm making the garlic parmesan sauce that I'm going to coat the wings in after it's finished cooking. Okay, so in my frying pan, I'm putting a few tablespoons of butter, and to that I'm going to add in a few cloves of minced garlic and a little bit of fresh chives that I chopped up. So you can use chives or you can just use fresh parsley chopped up, either is fine. All right, and I'm going to let that saute and cook with the butter as it's melting for about 3 minutes or so, until you smell the garlic and herbs. Okay, and then you're going to remove it from the stove and set it aside. So I placed the butter mixture in a bowl and set it aside, and now the second part to this is to add the Parmesan cheese. So here's my cheese. So if you guys are using shredded cheese like this that looks like that, what you want to do is place it in your food processor or like a blender or a NutriBullet, and what you're gonna do is basically shred the cheese until it's very finely grated like this. Okay, so you want the cheese to be finely grated. You can also just buy the Parmesan cheese that comes like in the bottle, very finely grated. Okay, you can do that as well. So that's what I did, and then I'm adding my Parmesan cheese into the butter sauce mixture we just made, and you're going to mix everything together until it's well combined, and it's in the end it should look something like this. So once the wings are finished cooking, I'm going to take them and place them in a large bowl, and then I'm going to add the garlic butter parmesan mixture we made on top of the wings, and then you want to give that a mix or a shake. You could cover the bowl and shake it around really well, or you could just use a spatula and fully coat the wings in the garlic parmesan mixture. And that's it, you guys. Once you finish coating the wings in this mix, you should have your crispy baked garlic parmesan chicken wings, and it should look something like this. And yeah, that is it for today's tutorial, you guys. These wings came out so good. They were so crispy and absolutely delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys, so you can see my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.